Today we are learning the classic cocktail recipe, daiquiri. Hey everybody, my name is Michael, cocktail bartender at Polly in Fitzroy, Melbourne, and today we are learning how to make a daiquiri. Very simple recipe for this classic. It consists of white rum, sugar syrup, 1:1 part ratio, and our citrus is our lime today. So the main thing you need to know about classics such as the daiquiri is summed up in one word: balance. So you want a balanced drink with the perfect ratio of the spirits to sugar syrup to citrus. And it is a very, very simple formula. So whatever your spirit is, so in this case rum, 60 ml we're pouring. So half of that is our citrus. So in this case, 30 ml. And then half of the citrus is the sugar syrup. So in this case, our recipe is 60, 30, 15, all in milliliters. Let's get straight to it. So of course, we add ice to our glass. For simple daiquiri as well, you want that glass ice cold, non-negotiable. And then, what am I up to? So we're up to the lime. So we need so the garnish for this one will be a wheel. 60 ml of our Bacardi rum in this case, Bacardi white rum, not the dark. We are going to freshly squeeze 30 ml of citrus. So there we go, 30 ml of our citrus, and then half of the citrus, which is 15 ml of our sugar syrup. In this way you get that perfect, delicious balance. So now of course, shake, shake, shake. Also a note, which is very interesting, a lot of bartenders, they don't need to try their drinks after a certain amount of time. They've just got such good experience that they can smell the drink and they can tell if that citrus is fresh, the sugar syrup's gone bad, or anything's wrong with that drink. Experience. And wrong tin. Dumping the ice. So remember, if we have used a shaker, you always want to be fine straining this one, just to catch those little ice cubes. Now cutting our line. That lime wedge is a little bit big for that drink. Pushing that to your guest. And that's why. So you should be able to taste that balance of rum, citrus, and sugar syrup. Thanks guys, let us know if you have any questions or feedback. We look forward to seeing you at our next video.